Hello students, today let's do chapter 3 of your civics, unit 2 chapter 3, how the state government works. Firstly, let's have an introduction of this chapter. In class 6th, you had studied about the local government. In class 7th, you'll be studying about the state government. And in class 8th, you'll be studying about the national government. Now, being in class 7th, you will study how the state government works for the welfare of the people. What is the role of MLAs, members of the Legislative Assembly, and ministers? Firstly, in this chapter, one case study has been given in the starting to explain the term responsibility. Two young girls are reading an article of the newspaper and they are discussing how there is water shortage in their state. People are falling sick. People in many villages have fallen sick by drinking unclean water. Streams have dried up. Villages are carrying water from great distances. How people of Patalpuram are just getting water supply once in 3 days. People in large numbers are falling down with the diarrhea and are being taken to hospitals. That was a newspaper article. Then they talk about one TV news in which people are shown dying with diarrhea. Can that really happen? Can people die of diarrhea? They talk about that. After that, in the afternoon, the girls are shown riding bicycles. They are off to some place, and one girl is saying that her mother in the morning had given her a lecture that they should not have iced drinks these days from the market, and they should take care of their health. On the way, they are stopped by one police lady who tells them that they should not go ahead as the road is blocked due to a mob. A group of people have gherawed the MLA's residence. Now, this word gherawed is a local term when people in large numbers show their anger by shouting slogans against that person. What has MLA done? Asked one girl to the policewoman. And she, in a very smiling tone, answers back that people are there to ask what the MLA has not done. Now, moving ahead, they see one man with the mic shouting in loud voice, demanding health ministers to take the control, asking the MLA to take the responsibility. What a loud voice this man has. He must be a leader. No, he is the member of the opposition, answers the other girl. So students, we have seen this scene and the words like MLA, leader, opposition have been highlighted. In the chapter ahead, we're going to study about them only. So with that, we come to part 1. We come to the end of part 1, and next lesson we'll study about the words in detail. Thank you. Have a nice day.